Hello, and welcome to the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, ready to guide you through today's most important stories. NewsRamp.com brings you curated business news from top sources, keeping you informed and ahead of the curve. A quick note before we start. This podcast is created using AI and AI voices, but all the news stories are real, and you can find the complete articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Wednesday morning, September 4th, 2024, and we've got an exciting lineup of health, fitness, and wellness news waiting for you. So whether you're driving, taking a break, or winding down for the day, let's get right into it. Our first story today is
One Medical's former CEO, Amir Rubin, to headline Hyro's Digital Front Door Day virtual summit. Hyro announces the return of Digital Front Door Day, a virtual summit on September 25th, 2024, featuring former One Medical CEO Amir Rubin as the headline speaker. Joining Rubin are industry leaders like Cris of Mayo Clinic and Ed Marks, former CIO of Cleveland Clinic. The event will host 42 speakers from top healthcare organizations, offering 16 sessions and networking opportunities. Hyro's CEO, Israel Krush, emphasizes the importance of accessible healthcare. Register for free to engage with healthcare innovators and build the new digital front door.
NFL Play 60 and the Nation of Lifesavers programs kick off for 2024 season. NFL Play 60 and the Nation of Lifesavers programs have kicked off for the 2024 season. The American Heart Association, Kansas City Chiefs, and NFL are supporting these programs to promote physical activity and CPR education. NFL Play 60 encourages 60 minutes of play for kids, while the Nation of Lifesavers aims to double cardiac arrest survival rates by 2030. The American Heart Association recommends daily physical activity for children and offers CPR education. The NFL is collaborating to increase hands-only CPR education with initiatives like Kids Heart Challenge and American Heart Challenge. The Kansas City Chiefs are supporting CPR training for youth sports coaches and donating CPR kits to area schools. Together, they are promoting healthy lifestyles and CPR education in the community.
Interactive map highlights PAD amputation risks. Experts call for action. The PAD Collaborative has unveiled an interactive heat map online to showcase the risk of non-traumatic lower limb amputations due to peripheral artery disease, PAD. This tool provides state-specific data to aid in prevention efforts and improve the quality of life for those affected. Statistics reveal a pressing need for enhanced healthcare services, screening, and education in many parts of the U.S. The American Heart Association-led PAD Collaborative aims to raise awareness, promote research, and advocate for improved treatment for the 10 to 12 million Americans impacted by PAD. Experts stress the importance of screening and management to prevent amputations, especially in high-risk populations. The Collaborative's National Action Plan targets public awareness, detection, treatment, research, education, public health, and advocacy to reduce the burden of PAD and lower limb amputations.
PathAI collaborates with GoldPath to elevate digital pathology capabilities with AI site image management system. PathAI, a global leader in digital pathology, has partnered with GoldPath, an independent pathology service provider based in Duarte, California, to enhance their digital pathology capabilities with the adoption of the AI site image management system. GoldPath chose AI site after a thorough evaluation of image management systems, recognizing it as the ideal solution to streamline workflows and improve case management. By integrating AI site, GoldPath aims to reduce turnaround times for referring physicians and offer cutting-edge pathology services. PathAI's CEO highlighted the impact of AI site on pathology operations, emphasizing its ability to enhance laboratory efficiency in the digital pathology field. AI site, a cloud-native enterprise workflow solution, provides GoldPath with tools for histopathology use cases with exceptional versatility and efficiency. CleanDAC CLNN, positioned as leader in addressing neurodegenerative diseases. Clean, a biopharmaceutical company trading on NASDAQ under the symbol CLNN, is leading the way in addressing neurodegenerative diseases such as ALS and MS. Their lead agent, CNM-Au, U8 targets the NAD+ pathway to restore and protect neurological function by improving cellular energy production. With a strong safety profile shown in clinical trials, Clean is preparing for Phase 3 programs for both ALS and MS. Their innovative approach and extensive research position them as a leader in the field of neurodegenerative disease treatment.
Early cancer detection saves lives. This biotech has a promising new test. Maine's Biomed, a clinical laboratory test maker, is dedicated to early disease detection and prevention to save lives and reduce healthcare costs. Recent advances in genetic and genomic tests are allowing for personalized medicine, tailoring treatments more effectively. CFO Bill Carrigal discussed promising data from recent trials, highlighting the potential for patients to live longer and healthier lives. Maine's Biomed's commitment to innovation in diagnostic technology is paving the way for improved patient outcomes.
GeoVax to participate in upcoming investor conferences in September. GeoVax Labs Inc. Nasdaq GoVX announced that its chairman and CEO, David Dodd, will present at 2 upcoming investor events in September. The first event is the H.C. Wainwright 26th Annual Global Investment Conference on September 9, 2024, at 7 a.m. ET at the Lotte New York Palace Hotel, New York, NY. The second event is the Emerging Growth Conference on September 25, 2024, at 2:55 p.m. ET, which will be virtual. GeoVax is a clinical-stage biotechnology company developing vaccines for infectious disease and therapies for solid tumor cancers. Their lead clinical program is GeoCM04S1, a next-generation COVID-19 vaccine currently in 3 Phase 2 clinical trials.
Maine's Biomed seeks FDA approval for colorectal cancer test. It says is nearly twice as sensitive as others. A look at pipeline and milestones. Maine's Biomed, a German company with U.S. offices in Berkeley, California, is seeking FDA approval for a new predictive test for colorectal cancer. The company's CFO, Bill Carrigal, discussed the need for more effective solutions in the market. Maine's breakthrough device, a next-generation screening test, utilizes mRNA biomarkers and has shown double the sensitivity of current products. The company's flagship product, Colo Alert, is said to miss up to 60% fewer cases than competitors' tests. Maine's is focused on conducting an FDA pre-market approval study in 2025 and aims to partner with PCR providers and national reference labs to enhance its commercial strategy. With the U.S. colorectal screening market valued at over $30 billion annually, Maine's sees significant growth potential if its test receives FDA approval. AJNA Biosciences' strategy for market leadership in botanical drug development with magic mushrooms and cannabis. AJNA Biosciences, based in Littleton, Colorado, is focused on developing botanical drugs derived from plant and fungi species, with the goal of treating conditions like autism spectrum disorder and generalized anxiety disorder. AJNA's research team is working on drug candidates using natural ingredients. The company's commitment to sustainable methods and reducing its ecological footprint sets it apart in the industry. AJNA's unique approach to botanical drug development could pave the way for future growth in the pharmaceutical industry, with the potential for major companies to recognize the therapeutic benefits of botanical drugs. Stay tuned for more updates on AJNA's progress in the field of natural health solutions.
REM sleep patent application has been allowed by the United States Patent and Trademark Office. REM Sleep Holdings, Inc. announces that another utility patent for its nasal ventilation system has been allowed by the United States Patent and Trademark Office. REM Sleep will file necessary paperwork for issuance, with a patent expected in approximately 8 weeks. The company will continue to make improvements through a continuation application. Materials for market launch are expected in early October, with production and shipping to follow. REM Sleep is preparing to be fully compliant with FDA regulations for the launch of the DeltaWave CPAP Pillows interface. Following this launch, the company plans to submit a 510(k) application for its Longevity CPAP Pillows interface, with a clearance timeline of 5 months. REM Sleep anticipates becoming a substantial company by the end of 2025. Dance to the Rhythms of Hope. Live Your Lyrics 2024 event amplifies suicide awareness and prevention through music and unity. Join the movement at the 2024 Live Your Lyrics event on September 15th at Nissy's Entertainment and Events Center in Lafayette, Colorado. Founded by Dave Sluder, this event aims to raise awareness and advocate for suicide prevention. Enjoy performances by local bands, Funk Noof, Hey Lady, and special guest pianist Brandon Swing, all supporting mental health partners. Tickets are $25 for adults, $10 for ages 3 to 20, and free for children under 2. Let's unite, embrace hope, and drive change together. For more information, contact Dave Sluder at 772-772-6081 or liveyourlyrics8@gmail.com.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.